Holy shit, your reservation is confirmed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, today's video. I am headed over to Alisha's right now to go give her my credit card. I feel like honestly, we planned this video idea and I was like, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be so much fun. Like the viewers are they're gonna love this. It's gonna be so much fun. And then I realized that like I'm giving Alisha my credit card to buy whatever her little heart desires. I've infiltrated the Mac Baby 11 headquarters. Bitch.
Is this gonna feel like I have a sugar daddy for a day?
I have a lot of mixed emotions here. Also, I realized that in our truth or drink, we confirmed that we make about the same amount.
Who makes more money, Lauren or Alicia? Same.
Really? Okay, so you can see by the title, we are switching credit cards for the day. I feel as if there's already a little bit of regrets mustering within me.
I mean it, I do trust you,
yeah,
but I feel the same way.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Texting me, you're like, oh my god, it's so good.
It's gonna be so good.
And I'm like, okay.
Well, because like now it's like you're giving away the power.
Well, and we discussed that we're not gonna set a budget.
Right, okay, yeah, so
which
no
makes
budget.
it way more complicated. I'm like, okay, I don't wanna like overdo it, but I also don't wanna underdo it.
Because like treat yourself, but also like don't treat yourself too
I'm just like, at some point there's gonna be a time where like one of us is trying to do something and it's just like, no,
denied. Okay, so no budget, but like don't make the other person bankrupt and like also like don't fuck the person's credit up for like future purposes.
Please,
Yeah,
I work so hard.
Me too, I work so hard. I'm not even a citizen. I've worked so hard to get the credit that I have. It was kind of just like fine, like when I got your credit card. It feels more scary giving you mine.
Platinum.
What are you gonna buy?
I don't know, and that's my problem.
I know.
I'm gonna figure it out, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great.
Bitch, if you buy another Aston Martin, you're like, you get an Aston Martin, you get an Aston Martin. I could foresee like some sneakers, maybe like a new bag. But it's like, she could go a totally different direction.
It's like, do you want one big thing or do you want a lot of little things? That's the like, do you know what I mean?
Me over here thinking I'm just gonna do 10 big things.
Oh. Maybe we should discuss a budget.
Okay, bye! My first purchase, how much for Ro? How much for Rosie? How much for Rosie? Come with me, you're coming. I just bought you and I just need you to come with, oh, Rosie. So I just got home and I had my little drive home to start brainstorming. I wish I could get some real-time feedback without like putting it on my story and giving it all away because I want it to be a surprise. I also feel like whatever I do, I want to stress Alisha out so much and post as much bougie shit as I can on social media. Wait, actually, maybe that's actually the worst idea I've ever had because if she sees that I'm spending a lot, she'll go out and spend a lot too to make it more even. Oh my god, this is so stressful. So I definitely just took a little peruse on the Nordstrom website and also through the Louis Vuitton shoe section. Cause like treat yourself, right? Like treat yourself. And for the first time in my entire life, I've never done this before, I hit from price high to low. Just to see, just for research, for science. I think let's go bigger than that. Here's my best idea so far. I think I want to book a hotel for a night, like the bougiest hotel that I can find. We've got Tippy Tappies incoming. And enter Tippy Tappies. Hi, bubbies. Bubbies, what would you like on Alicia's credit card? You want to buy everything? You want to buy all the Doritos? I'm trying to figure out what the most expensive hotel is in like the Beverly Hills, LA area. Let me show you some of our top options before we go ahead and book anything. Hotel Bel Air, we've got the Canyon Suites. Oh, a private spa pool for an utterly memorable evening. I would like an utterly memorable evening. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is very cute. Okay. Rates from $1,800 a night. Oh, Alisha is gonna murder me. Same hotel, different suite. This is the Premier Canyon Suite. Oh my god, that's gorgeous, bitch. Okay, new hotel, the Villa Suite with private hot tub. Okay, this is cute, this is cute. She's a little dated. Cute, but not my style. I have driven by the Waldorf Astoria in Beverly Hills so many times. And like one, there's no reason for me to stay in a hotel room in LA because I live here. And two, she bougie as hell. The cheapest room is literally $800 or $759. Oh my god, these are so expensive. Oh, it just keeps going up. It just keeps going up. $5,000? Alisha, I would love to spend $5,000, but that's a lot. Oh my God, this room looks rich. Oh my God, can I do this to Alisha? I think I can do this, right? I'm gonna be honest, I'm on the Four Seasons website and it's kind of garbage. Like, they want you to spend $1,500 a night, but like, I only get one pick of the room. So I Googled it and like, it definitely looks super nice, but like, I don't know what I'm getting. We can't do that to Alisha. Oh, that pool does look nice though. Okay, so I hopped on over to Airbnb to see what I could get with like a crazy ass budget. So this is an $8 million oceanfront residence with private beach. Bitch. Oh my, I've never stayed on the water in California ever. Are you kidding me? I don't know if we've got better options than this. I think that this might be it. Alisha, thank you. I am so sorry. But like, am I really? Holy shit, your reservation is confirmed. Check-in is 3 p.m., check-out at 11 a.m. That is a $2,600 period of 20 hours. Oh, I'm so scared to know what she's doing. Oh God. Moose is going on his own little vacation, going to stay with Auntie Kelsey. Oh, that's so exciting. You would not believe the drama that has ensued to make today happen. So I booked that Airbnb and literally hours before the reservation was supposed to begin, he cancels out of nowhere. And so I'm pretty sure I stumbled upon like an Airbnb scam ring. Angry, very angry. So anyways, I found another spot. It's in West Hollywood, just for one night. Thank you, Alisha. We thank you for your service, for your credit card.
Oh, I forgot it's Alicia's money.
She will get a refund for the first place.
Can you imagine if we had actually put Alisha into a scam?
If you guys have watched any of my vlogs where I've traveled, I walk into most hotel rooms and say the same thing.
This might be the nicest hotel I've ever stayed in.
And it's even nicer because it's not on my dime, to be honest. Let me give you a tour. So you walk in and you've got this big ass living room, and then we have this terrace that wraps like 90-degree angle of the entire room. Okay, you go this way. Got the bedroom. You can see the terrace still going. Ugh, there's nothing better than sleeping in a hotel bed with super fluffy pillows. Okay, well, I'm not gonna, ooh, rich. The light goes on when you open it. Rich. Then the bathroom is on some next level. Look at this tub. Oh my God. Hello? This mirror is huge. A little his and hers, or her and her, and his and, I feel like we gotta change that. We gotta change that. It's not a his and hers, it's just two sinks. The view. Oh my God. Okay, so that's downtown LA. That's Culver City right there. And then we're in like West Hollywood, almost Beverly Hills. This terrace wraps all the way over here and then this way. Alisha, bitch. This is the best video we've ever done. So the room was definitely a little outrageous. So we have dinner reservations tonight that I think I'm just gonna put on my card, but I brought a bottle of Moet champagne. I'm gonna post something on social media to make her freak out a little bit and just like make my shit look bougie as hell. So yeah, I wanna make her a little nervous, but not nervous enough that she's gonna hit my credit limit. Guys, I'm not kidding. That was the most stressful shot of my entire life. I was trying to be so aesthetic and get a good shot.
That's a good one, babe.
Jeremy just super made fun of me for that shot. I hope it looks cute.
No.
Oh no, rogue parsley, rogue parsley. Parsley, you're ruining my shot. You're ruining my shot. I'm trying to look rich on Alicia's credit card, okay? No. Babe.
It's mine.
What the f? Good morning, room service. Good morning, Alicia's credit card. I just took the funniest thumbnail. It is so extra. So obviously I have the hotel bathrobe on, which is so soft. Oh my God. This is my bag. Obviously brought this from home. These sunglasses are from Amazon, but I took the bougiest, dumbest thumbnail in the entire world. Thank you, Alisha, for access. to this bathrobe for 24 hours. So obviously this video is silly, it's for entertainment purposes, but I also want to use this opportunity to do good. And my last charge on Alisha's credit card, which I will also be matching on mine, is to the Stop AAPI Hate.org Foundation. AAPI stands for Asian American Pacific Islander, and Stop AAPI Hate has been one of the front runners in supporting and helping to put an end to these just absolutely heinous and heartbreaking crimes that are being committed against the Asian communities. Obviously, being of Asian descent myself, these hit really close to home for me, and they are just beyond heartbreaking, and I cannot even imagine the pain that these families are going through right now. Thank you for letting me take a quick pause in this video to talk about this, and I will leave some links in the description where you can donate and also learn more. Alisha just revealed to me how much she spent on her card, and I'm a little stressed because I was the opposite of generous, I guess. I was not as frugal. Here's the receipt.
So I literally go on Instagram and see that she's at a hotel and was like, oh shit, okay, we're collabing. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the total, I'm gonna go down.
Okay,
Room
okay.
service, $78.14. Makes sense. Expensive, yes, but there's always the extra gratuity and
Yeah.
charges. $131. Oh, it's not for dinner.
That was dinner,
for
like drinks.
rooftop dinner.
Yeah,
okay.
not bad.
Overnight valet parking, $55. That's a little high. Room charge. How much? For the room? $1,910.
Shut the fork up.
I could have bought a Chanel.
It was a suite, like we had multiple rooms. Wait till see the room tour.
Oh my god, I can't wait to she said I got content out of this.
I'm gonna be honest. They gave me the fee, taxes all in, so seeing the breakdown now makes more sense. Oh, when you said the room rate, I'm like, oh, that's actually cheaper than I thought it was, but now I'm realizing there was lots of fees built in. And also, I was like, I never book bougie hotels. Like, this feels like very Alicia Marie.
Yeah.
You got the full Alicia
I
experience.
got the full.
Yeah.
I don't know. All of this on the card.
I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed.
I could have been so
You
much
should have
better.
spent more.
I should have spent more. We have a total of $2,550.81. Did you buy anything else? Was this just a hotel?
I said staycation, honestly.
I said errands.
So I wanted to charge your card, but I was gonna run this by you before, but I wanted to make a donation to the Stop AAPI Hate.org Foundation. But I think because I spent a lot more,
$1,000.
$1,000 more, I was gonna make a donation on your card and match it on my card, but I want to do the whole thing on my card because the discrepancy here is a lot. So I'm gonna do a donation of $1,000 on my card, not on yours.
Oh my god, no, I love that. Like that, I would do that. If I could go back,
For sure.
I would add that.
So no matching, I'll just do it all on my card.
Oh my god.
Yeah. That's the move for sure because I spent a lot of money on your credit card already.
No, I love that. So that way we'll break even.
So we break even.
We break even.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yay.
Yay, that was really stressful.
I'll give this back to you for taxes. Thank you so much.
No, wait.
Wait.
You need Let us know if Alisha and I should switch anything else in our lives.
No, we've done
Oh my God,
houses.
as I'm hiring a TK, basically, everyone's like, oh my god, when you get a TK, your TK and Alicia's TK should switch lives.
Yes.
I don't have a TK yet,
You're gonna get one.
but I'm working on it.
You will. We're
But I'm working
manifesting.
on it. We're manifesting.
Oh my
exactly.
god, oh my god. Guys, go subscribe. Wild to 9 episodes all
Pretty
the time.
basic. Alicia Marie channel.
Um,
Follow Miss Chloe May.
she hasn't posted in
Moose.
She's